Welcome to life in a house that's full of cats. This kind-hearted man has devoted his lives to caring for 28 paralyzed cats, showcasing the power of unconditional love. It's already a handful to look after a normal cat, but caring for a paralyzed cat requires even more effort and patience. However, he made it work flawlessly. The house is always stocked with plenty of food, medicine, and diapers for the cats. At their mealtime, the cats line up, each having their own bowl to enjoy. Some of the cats not only deal with paralysis, but also other diseases, and the man makes sure they get the necessary vet care to recover. Of course, they're provided with warm, soft beds to ensure they sleep peacefully. The cats all share the house, living together as one big happy family. Even though they argue sometimes, it's just because they see each other like they're siblings.
Jangan buat adik. Abang.
Being surrounded by others in the same situation makes the cats so happy, and with their dad's love and care, their happiness is complete. Paralyzed cats are proof that life's worth living, no matter the challenges they face.